Welcome to the NORDSON Test and Inspection booth here at Semicon West. I'm delighted to be joined by Evstat and Krastev. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you. It's always a great pleasure, Trevor.
I know, and it's particularly good this week because we've got something new to show people. We've got a beautiful new Quadra 7 Pro machine sitting behind us. So
yes,
take it away, Evstat, and tell us some of the key features.
Absolutely. So I'm very excited to introduce, to give you an overview, brief overview of our new Pro series. So this is the Quadra 7 Pro, top of the line. So this is the successor of our very successful Quadra range. As you see, much modern design. The design is much improved.
Yeah.
We have this stunning 40-inch wide monitor, ultra high resolution, and the whole graphic user interface is completely revamped.
Right.
In order to make the experience even easier and even more intuitive.
Yeah, I mean, I have to say that the quality of these graphics is quite stunning. They're really sharp, really nice.
Yes. You see actually here the Serra viewer, the 3D Serra viewer embedded in the software.
Right.
So there are a lot of changes inside.
Okay.
We have the brand new Onyx Monitor.
That's the NORDSON. You make it yourself.
It's made by NORDSON.
Right.
Yep.
And what's the benefits of the Onyx detector?
The benefits is it's a 6.5 megapixel detector. The bandwidth has been improved.
Okay.
And also it's a much lower noise than the previous detector.
So lower noise, so you're going to get sharper definition on the images.
Sharper definition, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So the other very important innovation is a dual mode tube. So right now we have a tube that can run in a very high resolution mode. So you're looking at the TSVs, micro bumps, all these very tiny objects. And the other mode is a high power mode, so you can look at the normal PCB and thicker objects. So it's just a click of a button. You can change between the two modes.
Right. So it's got a standard mode that basically for general X-ray inspection, but then if you want to go down to really look at a very small device, you can switch it.
We switch it between two. Yeah, and it does an incredible difference.
Really?
Yeah.
And what's the power on both these different modes?
It's 20 watts, both of them.
20 watts.
Yeah, it's up to 20 watts at 160 kV. Yeah.
Okay.
For both of them.
Excellent. Yeah. Okay. And is that a closed tube or an open?
It's a sealed transmissive tube.
Okay.
So it just
sealed,
upgrade on the previous sealed transmissive tube that we were offering. Yeah.
So, looking, we're standing here, obviously Semicon West. What specific applications do you see this type of machine being used in? Is this for semiconductor packaging applications?
Yeah. So this machine is going to cover the whole range, starting with PCB, but is especially targeted at semiconductor applications.
Right.
So the range is supplemented by Quadra 3 Pro and Quadra 5 Pro, right?
Yeah.
So we can address all the budget needs because
so customers can scale depending on what their requirements are. Yeah.
So this one is going to do everything, right? But it's really focused towards the semiconductor. Yeah.
Right. Excellent. Super. And have you had any inquiries about it yet this week?
Yeah. It has been a good show. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we are talking to quite a bit of customers.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
The interest is fantastic.
Yeah. Excellent. So where are you manufacturing this? Are you manufacturing
this? This is made in the United Kingdom.
It's
England.
UK.
Made in England. Yeah. The 7 is made in England. Some of our manufacturing is in China for the
local
3
market, yeah.
For the 3 Pro.
Yeah.
But I think that's mostly from the Asian market. For the US market, the machines are coming from the UK.
Yeah. And is it available now, or is it?
It's available now, and actually the lead time is very short.
Okay.
We got a totally new organization in the factory. So they are really up to speed, right?
To speed. That's good.
Right.
That's good.
Very short delivery time right now.
Well, that's important. That's important. So what sort of lead time are you looking at?
I think we're looking about 4 weeks right now.
Wow. That is
One more thing to tell you. Okay,
Yep.
so I mean, the 2D images, the 2D, as you know, is
Yep.
crisp and sharp. It's stunning, right? The interesting drastic change is the 3D capability.
Okay.
So we have the drastic improvement in the planar CT. We call it X-plane, right? And the micro CT. The reason for that is that we integrated the Siemens/Sera
Right.
micro CT engine inside the software. So we are tapping in all the advanced features.
Right.
So you can see this is planar CT, right? And the quality is totally incredible.
Yes.
So the other thing is that the planar CT right now, no more fiducials. Check your select your inclination, select your projections, press the go button, and that's it, and goes.
Really? So it's not using the fiducials to.
No more fiducials.
Really?
That's because of we integrated this incredibly powerful engine inside the software.
Right.
Yeah, so it's much easier to set up, and now this planar CT, it just performs very close to the macro CT.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, that's wonderful. Certainly, it's a good feat of engineering, and I want to congratulate you on showing it to us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Always pleasure to talking to you.
Okay. Thank you.